Hello students, welcome to this lesson on pair of linear equations in two variables for CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. This is part 2 of the chapter, where we will focus on important methods of solving linear equations. In this video, we will learn and solve problems using the elimination method and the cross-multiplication method. We will also understand the different types of solutions, such as unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. So let us begin this interesting and important topic. Now, let us understand the elimination method. In this method, we eliminate one of the variables by making the coefficients of that variable equal in both equations. Then, by adding or subtracting the equations, we can remove one variable and find the value of the other. After that, we substitute the value back into one of the original equations to find the second variable. This method is very useful and helps us solve linear equations quickly and systematically. Now let us understand the elimination method in a simple way. First, what does the word elimination mean? Elimination means removing. Now the question is, what do we remove? We remove any one variable. For example, we can either remove x or remove y. Next, which variable should we remove? We choose the variable whose coefficients are the same or can be made the same easily. Now, how do we eliminate a variable? We can do this either by adding or by subtracting the two equations. When the signs of the coefficients are the same, we subtract the two equations. And when the signs are different, we add the two equations. In this way, one variable gets eliminated, and we can easily find the value of the other variable. Let us solve this question using the elimination method. We are given two equations. First equation, x minus y minus 7 equals 0. Second equation, x plus y minus 11 equals 0. First, we rearrange the equations by keeping variables on the left-hand side and constants on the right-hand side. So, the first equation becomes x minus y equals 7. And the second equation becomes x plus y equals 11. Now, we need to eliminate one variable. We can remove either x or y. Let us check the coefficients. Here, the coefficients of x in both equations are the same, and the coefficients of y are also the same. To remove x, we would subtract the two equations because the signs are the same. To remove y, we would add the two equations because the signs are different. Since it is easier, let us eliminate y by adding the two equations. Adding both equations, we get 2x equals 18. So, x equals 9. Now, to find the value of y, we substitute x equals 9 into any one of the equations. Let us use the second equation. 9 plus y equals 11. So, y equals 11 minus 9, which gives y equals 2. Therefore, x equals 9 and y equals 2 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Let us solve this question using the elimination method. We are given two equations. First equation, 3x plus 4y minus 10 equals 0. Second equation, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals 0. First, we rearrange both equations by keeping variables on the left-hand side and constants on the right-hand side. So, the first equation becomes 3x plus 4y equals 10. And the second equation becomes 2x minus 2y equals 2. Now, let us check the coefficients of the variables. Are the coefficients of x the same? No. Are the coefficients of y the same? No. So first, we need to make the coefficients of either x or y the same. Let us make the coefficients of y the same. To do this, we multiply the second equation by 2. After multiplying, the second equation becomes 4x minus 4y equals 4. Now we have 3x plus 4y equals 10 and 4x minus 4y equals 4. Now, we can eliminate y because the coefficients are equal and the signs are different. So, we add the two equations. Adding them, we get 7x equals 14. So, x equals 2. Now, to find the value of y, we substitute x equals 2 into any one of the equations. Let us use the first equation. 3 into 2 plus 4y equals 10. That is 6 plus 4y equals 10. Now, 4y equals 10 minus 6, which gives 4. So, y equals 1. Therefore, x equals 2 and y equals 1 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Let us solve this question using the elimination method. We are given two equations. First equation, x plus y minus 5 equals 0. Second equation, 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals 0. First, we rearrange the equations by keeping variables on the left-hand side and constants on the right-hand side. So, the first equation becomes x plus y equals 5. And the second equation becomes 2x minus 3y equals 4. Now, let us check the coefficients of the variables. Are the coefficients the same? No. So, we need to make the coefficients of either x or y the same. Let us make the coefficient of x the same. To do this, we multiply the first equation by 2. After multiplying, the first equation becomes 2x plus 2y equals 10. Now we have 2x plus 2y equals 10 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. Now, the coefficients of x are the same and the signs are also the same. So, we subtract the second equation from the first equation. After subtracting, we get 5y equals 6. So, y equals 6 divided by 5. Now, to find the value of x, we substitute y equals 6 divided by 5 into the first equation. So, x plus 6 divided by 5 equals 5. To remove the fraction, we multiply the whole equation by 5. This gives 5x plus 6 equals 25. Now, 5x equals 25 minus 6, which is 19. So, x equals 19 divided by 5. Therefore, x equals 19 divided by 5 and y equals 6 divided by 5 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Let us solve this question using the elimination method. We are given two equations. First equation, x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 plus 1 equals 0. Second equation, x minus y divided by 3 minus 3 equals 0. First, we rearrange both equations by keeping variables on the left-hand side and constants on the right-hand side. So, the first equation becomes x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 equals minus 1. And the second equation becomes x minus y divided by 3 equals 3. Now, we remove the denominators to make the equations simpler. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So, we multiply the first equation by 6. After multiplying, the first equation becomes 3x plus 4y equals minus 6. For the second equation, to remove the denominator 3, we multiply the whole equation by 3. After multiplying, the second equation becomes 3x minus y equals 9. Now, let us check the coefficients. The coefficients of x are the same, but the coefficients of y are different. So, We eliminate x by subtracting the second equation from the first equation. After subtracting, we get 5y equals minus 15. So, y equals minus 3. Now, to find the value of x, we substitute y equals minus 3 into any one of the equations. Let us use the equation 3x plus 4y equals minus 6. So, 3x plus 4 into minus 3 equals minus 6. This gives 3x minus 12 equals minus 6. Now, 3x equals minus 6 plus 12, which gives 6. So, x equals 2. Therefore, x equals 2 and y equals minus 3 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Let us solve this question using the elimination method. We are given two equations. First equation, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals 0. Second equation, 9x equals to y plus 7. First, we rearrange both equations. So, the first equation becomes 3x minus 5y equals 4. And the second equation becomes 9x minus 2y equals 7. Now, let us make the coefficients of x the same. We multiply the first equation by 3. After multiplying, we get 9x minus 15y equals 12. Now we have 9x minus 15y equals 12 and 9x minus 2y equals 7. Now, the coefficients of x are the same and the signs are also the same. So, we subtract the second equation from the first equation. After subtracting, we get minus 13y equals 5. So, y equals minus 5 divided by 13. Now, to find the value of x, we substitute y equals minus 5 divided by 13 into the first equation. So, 3x minus 5 into minus 5 divided by 13 equals 4. This becomes 3x plus 25 divided by 13 equals 4. Now, 3x equals 4 minus 25 divided by 13. We take a common denominator and get 3x equals 50 to minus 25 divided by 13. So, 3x equals 27 divided by 13. Now, x equals 27 divided by 39, which simplifies to 9 divided by 13. Therefore, x equals 9 divided by 13 and y equals minus 5 divided by 13 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Now let us understand the cross multiplication method. In this method, we consider two linear equations in the general form. The first equation is a 1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. The second equation is a 2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Using the cross multiplication method, we find the values of x and y using a fixed pattern. For x, we take the coefficients of y and the constants and cross-multiply them. For y, we take the constants and the coefficients of x and cross-multiply them. And for 1, we take the coefficients of x and y and cross-multiply them. Finally, we form three ratios. X is equal to b1c to minus b to c1 in the denominator. Y is equal to c1 a 2 minus c to a 1 in the denominator. And 1 is equal to a 1b to minus a 2b1 in the denominator. By comparing these ratios, we can find the values of x and y. This method is very useful when equations are in standard form and helps us solve them quickly. Let us solve this question using the cross multiplication method. We are given two equations. First equation, 8x plus 5y equals 9. Second equation, 3x plus 2y equals 4. First, we write both equations in standard form. So, the first equation becomes 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals 0. And the second equation becomes 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Now, we compare these equations with the general form. From the first equation, a1 is 8, b1 is 5, and c1 is minus 9. From the second equation, a2 is 3, b2 is 2, and c2 is minus 4. Now, we apply the cross multiplication method. We form ratios for x, y, and 1. After calculating the values, we get x divided by minus 2 equals 1 and y divided by 5 equals 1. From this, we get the values x equals minus 2 and y equals 5. Therefore, x equals minus 2 and y equals 5 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Let us solve this question using the cross multiplication method. We are given two equations. First equation, 2x plus y equals 5. Second equation, 3x plus 2y equals 8. First, we write both equations in standard form. So, the first equation becomes 2x plus y minus 5 equals 0. And the second equation becomes 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. Now, we compare these equations with the general form. From the first equation, a1 is 2, b1 is 1, and c1 is minus 5. From the second equation, a2 is 3, b2 is 2, and c2 is minus 8. Now, let us understand the conditions. If a 1 by a 2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the equations have a unique solution. This is called a consistent system. If a 1 by a 2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then the equations have no solution. This is called an inconsistent system. If a 1 by a 2 is equal to b1 by b2 and also equal to c1 by c2, then the equations have infinitely many solutions. This is also called a consistent system. Now, let us check the ratios. A 1 by a 2 is 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is 5 by 8. Since these ratios are not equal, the equations have a unique solution. So, this is a consistent system. Now, we apply the cross multiplication method. After simplifying, we get x divided by 2 equals 1 and y divided by 1 equals 1. So, x equals 2 and y equals 1. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations is consistent with a unique solution, and the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 1. Let us solve this question and also determine the nature of the solution. We are given two equations. First equation, 3x minus 5y equals 20. Second equation, 6x minus 10y equals 40. First, we write both equations in standard form. So, the first equation becomes 3x minus 5y minus 20 equals 0. And the second equation becomes 6x minus 10y minus 40 equals 0. Now, we compare these equations with the general form. From the first equation, a1 is 3, b1 is minus 5, and c1 is minus 20. From the second equation, a2 is 6, b2 is minus 10, and c2 is minus 40. Now, let us find the ratios. A 1 by a 2 is 3 by 6, which simplifies to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 5 by minus 10, which also simplifies to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 20 by minus 40, which again simplifies to 1 by 2. Since all three ratios are equal, the pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Such a system is called a consistent system with infinitely many solutions. This means both equations represent the same line, and all points on the line satisfy both equations. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Thank you for watching this lesson on pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you have clearly understood the elimination method, the cross multiplication method, and the different types of solutions. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming lessons on CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. For worksheets, notes, and more study materials, visit our website and join our Telegram channel. The website link and Telegram link are given in the video description. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.